Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to be doing a polygel set. So I've pulled out my red iguana practice hand. We're going to be doing a natural overlay today. So these full cover tips are going to act as a natural nail. We're going to be using Morovan polygel today. I've been dying to see what this polygel is like to use. So we're going to be using those. Now, if I was doing this on a real hand, not a practice hand, I would do all my prep work first. I do have a prep video already on my channel. I'll leave the link to that video in my description box if anyone wants to know my prep routine. So I would do all my cuticle work. I would buff the shiny surface off the natural nail. I'd apply my dehydrator and a primer. And then I would go in with a base coat, which is what I'm going to do now. So we're going to give all 4 nails a coat of the Morovan base coat. Then we're going to give those a cure in the lamp. So I've popped some isopropyl alcohol in my dapping dish. So I'm going to start off with colour P087, which is a hot pink. So I'm going to start off by getting the cuticle all nice and neat first. I always like to get my cuticle sorted first. And then just pull it down them sidewalls, make sure that's all nice and neat. I'm going to be doing a blend on this nail, so I only need this pink to go halfway down the tip. So I like to get it straight first before I start to blend it into the nail. So I'm just feathering it down like that. And I find a dry brush is better when I'm trying to blend this bit. I'm going to pop that in the lamp. So that's all cured. Now we're going to apply the P032, which is the orange. So with the orange, I'm doing pretty much exactly the same as what I did with the pink, but obviously I'm blending it upwards. Now, my hand's in the way through most of this, guys, when I'm doing that blend. I'm so sorry. I'm going to have to find a better way of recording that so you can see better. So I just get them sidewalls all nice and neat. And you'll see I keep swiping up the sides of that nail, and that's just keeping that nice crisp shape. I'm also not too worried about the blend on these nails because I am going to be going in with a Milky White over the top. Now, if I wasn't using the Milky White, I would have pulled that pink further down and I'd have pulled the orange a little bit further up. But I wanted it to be very little product there, so there's room for the Milky White. They blended together so easy, guys. Really, really easy. Pop that in the lamp. Alright, so that's all fully cured. Let's go on to the middle nail. Just going to show you me doing this one last one because all 4 are going to be the same, guys. So I'll just show you this last one and I'll do the other 2 off camera and then I shall pop back in once the other 2 are done.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time. Buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we
Give that a cure. And again, we're going to go in with the orange on the tip.
The only thing I'll do
like that. Guys, these colours are so easy to blend. They're blending so easy. Look at that. Effortlessly. Doesn't really matter about the blend because I'm going to be going over that anyway. So I'm going to do the other two nails off camera and then we'll pop back in once we're on to the next step. So I'm going to give them a cure. Right guys, as you can see, I've had a little play with this pinky nail and I'm not happy with it. So ignore that one for now. I'm going to have to rectify it somehow. So I'm going to be using the Born Pretty Milky Jelly Gel. I'm just going to apply a little blob of that. In the middle of the nail. I'm just going to get a detailer brush. I'm just going to tease that up there like that. And down like that. I have put way too much Milky Jelly Gel on this nail, so I'm going to have to wipe some of it off. So I'm just wiping as much as I can off and then wiping my brush off onto that lint-free wipe. And once I've removed most of that, then I'm going to start blending that out again. I weren't really happy with this nail at the end. I wish I'd blended that Milky Jelly Gel a little bit more in the pink area. Yeah, if you can hear that cute noise in the background, that is my little girl dreaming. She is trying to bark in her dream with her mouth closed. How adorable was that noise?
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us.
Now, I am only going to show you me doing this one now, guys, because I was faffing like mad doing this bit. So, yeah, I'm just going to show you me doing the one nail. Just going to flip it upside down before I pop it in the lamp. Right, guys, because these are a little bit lumpy bumpy, I'm going to go in with a really thick top coat, what I've got, so I can give them a little bit of a buff. So, I'll just show you me doing this one. I'm going to give this a really nice, thick, generous layer. And I'll pop that in the lamp. Before I put it in the lamp, I'm going to flip it upside down, pop it in the lamp, and then I'll give it a buff off camera. And then we will get the rest top coated. Right, guys, they've all been filed and buffed. And now I'm going to give them a coat of top coat. So we're using the Morovan top coat.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
Give those a cure. Now, I don't know why I top coated them all because I'm going to be sticking stickers on a couple of these. So, the ones that I'm going to be sticking stickers on, I shouldn't have top coated just yet. I don't know why I did that. Now, I think I'm going to put stickers on these two. I wanted to do the middle two, but I'm not happy with this pinky nail. I don't like the milky effect. It's a lot lighter than these ones. And it's a little bit patchy, so I'm definitely going to be sticking a sticker on that one. But I need to find a small enough sticker. I'm going to stick this one on the pinky. That one like that. And then this one on here. And then we'll seal them in with another coat of top coat, hence why I didn't need to top coat these in the first place. And that's just going to seal those stickers in. Like that, and then pop them in the lamp for one final cure. And that is them all finished. What do you think? You like them? I think they're pretty cool. That polygel was really, really nice to use, guys. Highly, highly recommend the Morovan polygel. It was a little bit on the soft side, but it wasn't sticky. I don't mind soft polygel as long as if it's not sticky, and that was not sticky at all. And this top coat was super, super shiny. Look how glossy it is. It's really, really glossy. Really nice top coat. So yeah, that is everything, guys. All the products that I've used today, I'm going to leave listed in my description box. I have got a discount code, which you'll see is in the top right-hand corner of the screen. I'll leave that pinned in my comments, along with the link to the Morovan website. I do just want to say as well, guys, these polygels, you can buy them in a kit, but you can also buy them individually as well. And I was really surprised how cheap they were. They're really, really affordable. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.